Dr. Yvonne Baxter Bentley. I am so elated that a great woman of God like Sharina F. Butler will come in here with Cover Girls for Christ and make a difference in the structuring of the new International Kingdom Connections powerhouse systems all over the world, and our models that are physically landed are called Worldwide International Church. We don't have no walls. We would like to introduce also her spectacular teams. Lady April Bonner, Terry Wells, Yvette Costco, and also Pastor Daryl and Deborah Holiday. I met some incredible people by her, and she is the mother of 5 beautiful children, including a dynamic husband who's an expert at photography and filming. We like to thank Dr. Marcia Abrams for allowing us and embracing us into her family as My King's Television Network. We're now separating the two companies. International Kingdom Connection. She is now our executive financial manager of marketing, promotion, and media networking. Let's give her a hand and welcome the one and only Sharina F. Butler. Both of these companies are still overseen by the great Pastor Billy and Prophetess Cynthia Thompson of Jesus People Proclaim, Boca Raton, Florida, and now the location is in Deerfield Beach. You can again contact us at 1-800-471-9708. Again, that's 1-800-471-9708. And you can email us at new_improve33@yahoo.com. Again, that's new_improve33@yahoo.com. Visit our website at www.wwicww.com. Again, that's www.wwicww.com. And we like to thank Bank of America for coming in here and being one of our major business partner with Sarah Espinazo. God bless you.